Greetings to you all. This message is for vehicle owners, drivers, most especially those ones that do purchase the automobile item by themselves. Just want to show you how to test your compressor, the manual compressor when you are purchasing it, most especially if you are getting a direct Belgium and not a brand new. Most time you have to contact the vendor to send it across to you. But I will also advise, when you want to get that compressor, let the vendor test it, probably video it and send it across to you. If you see, look at this video, that's the procedure, or that's how to test the pumping efficiency, or to check if the compressor is pumping by hand before you install it. Though it's not a guarantee that when you install it that it's going to perform as it's supposed to perform. Remember, it's a direct Belgium. Remember, it's a Tukumbo. Remember, it's not a brand new. Even in a brand new, anything can happen. Then talk less of something that's already been used by another person. So this is just a procedure on how to test the compressor. I've also write it down on my wall so you can go through it step by step. That is simple procedure. Just for you to put your hand at the discharge side of the compressor and turn the pulley. When it build up pressure and started getting strong in your hand, you now release your thumbs that you used in pressing the discharge side, which is the high pressure side, and you see it will now pump out. That will tell you that that compressor is still pumping. And as I said before, it is not a guarantee that when you put it inside the car that is going to perform well. Until when you install it, that's when you will know. But at least at the initial stage, before purchasing the compressor, you can tell the vendor to do that video and send it across to you. Thank you. I want to believe that this video is beneficial. See you next time.